No idea what's going on, but we just got flashed. And there's some emergency crews down here. I thought I'd grab the phone out while my student is driving. We'll take a look to see what happened here. Looks like somebody might have went off the roadway and rolled. Yeah, they're following that guy. Yeah, there's a rollover right there.
They're probably going to direct us.
No, they'll just have us go around.
Well, it's the one way, so he's going to let him pass and he's going to let the truck go.
Yeah, that Jeep, I guess, is a witness. Put on your hazards.
Wonder what he's checking for.
I don't know. Slow down when you get to this officer a little bit. Everybody okay? Alright. Good that everybody was okay. But yeah, look at that. That's gonna leave a mark.
Yikes.
So yeah, semi-truck looks like he was involved. Or at least it was a witness.
He's directing this side of traffic.
Yeah. Damn.
Yeah.
Glad everybody was alright though.
That wasn't pretty.
Sorry for the shaky camera, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good one.